Hello, tubers, and welcome back to my channel. I apologize for this being so late, but I have to tell you that working with sequins is not a good thing in my craft room. No, because I have a parrot, and parrots love sequins. And I want to show you that this bag is empty, but this bag is not empty because I used it all up. No, this bag is empty because I used most of it up. And while I was using it up, you may notice that this bag is chewed on. This bag is very well chewed on. And this bag was open on my craft table like this. And somebody came by and went, whoop, and picked it up and, yes, flung sequins all over my craft room. Yeah, so I lost a lot of these sequins just like that. Yeah, I did. So, but I'm going to count that as one empty box, and this had sequins in it, and that's empty, and this had sequins in it, and that's, notice that one's chewed too, and this one is chewed. It has one sequin in it, but I'm not counting that one. This one was Crown Jewels Sparkle Blend Mix from Sparkle Blends, Doodles Paper Playground. It was beautiful. It's in my cards. This one was a free sample from Cat Scrappiness. It's gone. Yes, and this one has just a few sequins in it. It was full of pink and purple sequins. They're gone. And this whole thing was full of sequins. There's another sequin, because sequins are sort of like glitter. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It had little sequin packets in it, so when I would get sequin packets in the mail, I would stick them in here. So I have 2 more that I did not use up, but yeah. So I have been using up, so that's a lot of sequins that I got gone. And let me show you what I made. So here's all the pink sequins. They're all in there. Yes, I did. I haven't put any sort of, ooh, that one's coming out of there. Oh, this is not good. Okay, well, don't shake this one up too much because it's all coming apart. So, lesson number 1, don't use your ATR gun for sequins, because they will come apart. So I will have to put these back together with some glue. Yes, I will. So that's lesson number 1. But anyway, there's that card. I like that card. That one's probably going to end up a birthday card. This one was all the golden glitter sequins, and there's some beads in there. Yeah, I like this one a lot. I used up a pad of paper that was dots and stripes. That's what I did. No, Mags, no, come here. Okay, so I like this one. I'm gonna take some of the other stuff and put it on the envelopes. This one was what was in the big package, you see. That was what was in there, was all of these sequins. I like them. They came out very nice, very nice. And again, I just filled those suckers right up because I was busy using up sequins. Look, you can see that one right there. I don't know if you can tell, but that one has been a munched sequin by a parrot. But that's how you can tell they're cards from me. Let's just put these out so you can see them. I made 6 cards. This one, I also made all different kinds of cards. So this one is a full panel card. This was all the Crown Jewels sequins that I had, plus some other sequins in Crown Jewel-like colors. Yeah, that one's very pretty. Let's get those out of there. This one had some beads and some other mixes in there. I don't know if you can see those. That is the Cranky Caffeinated Butterfly from the Rabbit Hole Designs. I had some of these designs in there. And then this one, this is the Ring Wreath from Simon Says Stamp. And then those are all gold sequins in there with a shiny copper bow. I like that one. And I just had to fight the bird for this one too, because he wanted to eat all the sequins off of there. And I saved some of those sequins out so that I could put them on the wreath, so they sort of looked like, you know, fun stuff. So that's kind of a fun Christmas card. I'll probably just put Merry Christmas down here at the bottom, or Happy Holidays or something like that. So yeah, so there you go. Those are what all of those sequins went into. If you want to use up your sequins, stuff them. Shaker cards, yeah, I like them. And again, I apologize. I kept fighting the bird, and I kept having to clean up sequins, and I had to keep chasing my sequins down. So next month, I don't remember what next month is, but I'm sure there will be a video for smashing our stash. Again, the list of everybody is down below, and it's going to be a good one. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some ideas on how you can make shaker cards. Talk to you later. Bye.